How to delete a calendar on iPhone. So basically, if you want to delete a calendar on iPhone, it's quite simple to do so actually. All you have to do is launch the calendar app, and this is the type of interface you will see, where you have to tap on the calendars option, and here you'll see many calendars right here. So let's say that I want to delete a certain calendar. It's very simple. On the right hand side you can see this I button right here. When you tap on the I button, you'll be taken to the edit calendar page, where you can just tap on the delete calendar button in the red button right there, then tap on the delete button to confirm it, and that particular calendar will be successfully deleted. Now if you want to restore that, you can also do that as well, but basically to delete that calendar, you just tap on the I button and tap the delete option to do so. So I hope that this video really helped you as to how you can delete calendar on iPhone. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.